What happens when the unpredictable forces of nature strike or global economic tides turn sharply? In an ever-interconnected world, the answers often lie not within the borders of one country, but through the gates of international cooperation. Global crises, whether they are natural disasters, pandemics, or financial meltdowns, do not respect national boundaries. Thus, managing these crises effectively requires a cohesive, coordinated international response. Countries across the globe have increasingly recognized that sharing experiences and best practices can significantly enhance their crisis response mechanisms. Take, for instance, the approach to disaster management. Countries prone to natural disasters, like Japan and the Netherlands, have developed advanced systems for disaster preparedness and response. By sharing their insights and technologies, these nations have aided others in developing robust frameworks that mitigate the impacts of similar disasters. Similarly, when it comes to handling pandemics, the value of shared knowledge becomes even more evident. The recent global health crises underscored the importance of international collaboration in disease surveillance, vaccine development, and distribution. Countries that pooled their resources and expertise were able to accelerate the development of medical solutions that saved countless lives. Programmatic approaches to crisis management have also seen significant benefits from international cooperation. For example, joint programs between countries for flood defense have resulted in improved infrastructure that protects vulnerable regions more effectively than isolated efforts ever could. Resource collaboration is another crucial aspect of international crisis management.